A lot of people have been asking me to show Abakpa. Well, this is Abakpa. After watching this video, I would like to know your opinion about Abakpa and how many of these statements I'll be dropping about Abakpa at the end of the video you think are true. Abakpa, popularly referred to as Abakpantike or Abakpanike, is the largest and most densely populated suburb of Enugu. It is located along Enugu-Onitsha Express Road in Enugu East Local Government Area. It is about 8 kilometers west of Akanu-Ibiam International Airport and 7 kilometers north of Enugu City Center. Abakpa is home to the largest urban slum in Enugu, popularly known as Ghetto in Nigeria. Abakpa is considered a low and middle class suburb due to its high number of neighborhoods referred to as ghettos. Abakpa is the cheapest place to live in Enugu, as rent in this part of the city is considered to be the lowest. Abakpa is home to the 18th Division headquarters of Nigerian Army, located in Enugu. Some popular landmarks in this part of Enugu include Abakpa Junction, Achaba, T Junction, St. Mary's, Liberty Junction, and Texaco. For those who wish to stay in this part of Enugu, some of the major neighborhoods in Abakpa include housing, Ugbene and Ugbene 2, Nike Lake Road, Nike Road, Uboye, Achaba, Ubezeji, Obinagu Road, Ogwago, Ubowa, Ubo Paul, Upper Housing, among others. Abakpa is home to some of the most popular secondary schools in Enugu. Some of these secondary schools include Nike Grammar School, Abakpa Girls, also known as Nike Girls, Daughters of Divine Love, popularly known as DDL, and Holy Cross Secondary School, Enugu. If you are in Abakpa and looking for where to go shopping for your foodstuffs, here are the major markets in Abakpa: Afia Abakpa, Afia 4, and Mami Market. Back to my question, how well do you know Abakpa? How many of these statements do you think are true or false about Abakpa? 1. Abakpa is the most densely populated suburb of Enugu. 2. Abakpa has the largest city slum, popularly known as ghetto, in Enugu. 3. Abakpa has a good layout but doesn't have good roads at all. 4. Abakpa seriously needs urban renewal. In your own words, what do you think Abakpa needs the most?